Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get wool in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually make a farmer's workbench, and to do that all you need to do is make a normal workbench. You just press tab on your keyboard, come here, click on workbench, make sure you have these tree trunks. You need 4 pieces of these, 3 pieces of stone, and then you craft your workbench, and then you can go ahead and come here and craft right here. Just click on this icon for crafting, and then here you can craft a farmer's workbench. You just need 6 pieces of tree trunk, 20 pieces of fiber. You go ahead and craft your farmer's workbench right here, and then you just come here, press F, and you can go ahead and craft shears. Just need 1 iron ingot to craft shears. Just click here and craft. Once you have your shears, you want to go ahead and look for sheep. So I can see this sheep right here. Just come here and right click on the sheep. It's trying to run away, and as you can see, I now have wool. And that is how to get wool in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.